Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about one of my favorite foods, salmon. Not only is it delicious, but it's also incredibly good for you. In fact, there are so many benefits to eating salmon that you might be surprised. First of all, salmon is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for your health. These fatty acids can help reduce inflammation in your body, which can lead to a wide range of health benefits, including a lower risk of heart disease and stroke. But that's not all. Salmon is also an excellent source of protein, which is essential for building and repairing muscle. Plus, it's low in calories and high in nutrients, which makes it a great choice for anyone who's trying to lose weight or maintain a healthy diet. And let's not forget about the taste. Salmon is absolutely delicious. Whether you grill it, bake it, or pan-sear it, there are so many ways to enjoy this versatile fish. Plus, it pairs well with a wide range of flavors and ingredients, so you can get creative with your cooking. So if you're looking for a healthy, tasty, and versatile food to add to your diet, look no further than salmon. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, there are so many ways to enjoy this amazing fish. So why not try it out for yourself and see the benefits firsthand? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on healthy eating. And check out our next video, where we will be sharing 5 recipes for enjoying salmon. See you next time.